Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh and you're watching Dancing with Data. Here is my website where I talk about Power BI and Tableau as far as data analytics is concerned. And today we are going to talk about key performance indicator. I know everybody knows how to create visuals, but then it's very important and also it is quite underrated as well that people don't know the understand of this art of deriving KPI from your data set. And that's why the process requirement and gathering analysis, it's very important. The more you understand the project, it's more likely that you are going to end up with correct KPIs. You can find this link in the description. This whole slide is waiting for you. So a key performance indicator is a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a company is achieving key business objectives. Whether you are working in a retail project or learning and development project or a pharmaceutical industry, and whatever department you may be in, it's very important for you to align your goals with the company's goals. You may directly impact the revenue or you may indirectly impact the revenue. That's all fine. But again, your goal should align with company's goal. That's the first and foremost principle over here. So today we are going to talk about those principles which we fondly call as SMART. And also we'll try to compare your personal goal where you like a girl, you want to propose her, to your professional goal where you are going to increase the sales by say 30%. Just trying to find simplicity in complexity. So let's go to the first one. Is your objective specific? If you want to achieve your goal, remember one thing, your objective should be specific because that is the starting point. If you're not very clear with your objectives, the subsequent steps will automatically fail in the future. Now Rohit's objective is pretty clear. He's going to impress her with his talent, so-called talent. So he's pretty specific with his objective. Obviously, he wants to marry her. It's specific. He's not talking about multiple girls over there. He's just focused on one girl, and he knows that he's going to impress her with his talent. So Rohit is specific about his objective. Now let's come to Rohit's professional goals over there. Rohit is regional sales manager for Central region, and his goal is to help company to have 30% sales hike. That's pretty cool. The next one, can you measure progress towards that goal? So Rohit's plan is measurable. He knows Kanika likes dancing and anyone who is honest with his job. So he thinks annual day dance function, a brilliant dance performance, and getting Employee of the Month award may help him to impress her. So that's measurable for him. And his sales project as well. He knows that what are the numbers and how he can get to the 30% of the number that he is having for the year 2023 now. So that's quite measurable here as well. The third one is the goal realistically attainable or not, very important. Now this is the point where you can still think, are you a dancer or not? Are you going to get training for that? That won't work, by the way. Do you have in you that you can become Employee of the Month or Employee of the Year? Still, if you have any doubt in your mind, you can rethink of your objective or goals. In the professional front as well, for Rohit, he knows that there are 3 brand new brands which are going to get launched at a very big scale. And all the 3 brands are having potential. Quality of the product is good. So if they hit the right marketing strategies, this is quite achievable. Now, how relevant is the goal to your organization? Sometimes you show something else so that someone like that someone else, but then she won't find you compatible anymore, and that can be a problem. So it's good to be original and natural for this guy. So because in the long run, she has to live with you, not the guy that you are trying to portray. In case you are faking it up, you need to see the relevance over here as well. It will be definitely relevant to the organizational goal of having more sales. So yes, that's pretty relevant to the organizational goals. What is the time frame for achieving this goal? Whether you're talking about your crush or you're talking about your company's goal, there has to be some time frame. There has to be the time frame. Maybe she doesn't like you after, especially after seeing your dance, or maybe she likes someone else. If you see carefully, she's looking someone else. So in that case, Rohit, you need to move on. You need not to wait all your life for sure. So as we talked earlier, we need to grow by 30% by the end of 2024. Generally, you will deal this in quarters basically, but in this example, we are saying yearly. Generally, it will be quarterly. I hope this was simple enough for you to start with. Do subscribe to my channel if it makes sense. And I'll meet you again while we search together simplicity in complexity. See you, tata. Bye-bye.